guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I decorate some pieces for my home for the holidays, and hopefully it's going to be really quick, and for sure it's really easy. Let's start with this basket that I have had for a long time. I glued some, of course, buffalo check. Well, this is more like gingham, how do you pronounce it? But well, it's almost the same thing. I added a bow and some berries, and let me show you what I'm going to place inside. I have this book. This is the original, A Christmas Carol. It's not a fake. You can see it. Sorry. So this is the one that is going to be on top. And I'm adding these other books. This one, I didn't do anything to this one because it's going to be at the bottom, so it's not going to be seen. But for these two, I printed just a bit, not to waste ink, just to make the spine. And I'm going to place them here, on top, one on top of the other. And the Christmas Carol right on top of the other ones. I'm going to tie them with this twine, this piece of twine. So let's do this. In the meantime, let me tell you that this video is entered in the Sunday Funday challenge that is hosted by the sweet girls at Deco, and their co-host this month is Ginger Chick Rehab. I will leave, as usual, the links to their channels in the description box. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please visit both channels and watch all the videos. It's really interesting to see what they do. The girls at Deco, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, they not only have beautiful ideas and creations, the way they arrange them is, as I say always, awesome. And Ginger Chick Rehab, Yvonne, sorry, she fixes, repairs, make over furniture, chairs. No, it's out of this world. All the things she does are out of this world. So please pay a visit, and again watch the videos in the playlist. Now that I have my books tied, I'm going to place them inside the basket. What do I say all the time? Like so. I found out the other day that I'm always saying like so. I will place here like so. I'm going to glue this here like so. Then I'm going to add this little greenery under the bowl. I love this kind of pics. And I have these two pockets with, these are from China. They come together like this, and you can separate them. So that's what I did, and I'm going to place them one on each side like so. And let me see here. And this is going to be it for this basket. As you can see, it looks really good. Again, as I usually say, I'm going to show you how it looks from the front at the end of the video. But you get the idea. It looks really nice. So let's move on to the other arrangement. This is kind of, I don't know, kind of a crate that my neighbor and best friend gave me a while ago. I wrote farmhouse on some self-adhesive chalkboard paper, and of course I use buffalo check all around. I can't help myself. But now I want to use it from the other side for Christmas. I had some greenery here all year long, but now I'm going to do something for Christmas. So I printed with my computer this sign that I found on Google. With a marker I painted the border to give it the feeling of chipped enamel, and I'm going to place it here, but I don't want it to be flat. I'm going to add some foam squares or rectangles. They are from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to add a few of them to give it a 3D look, and I think it's going to look much better than if I just glue it to the ribbon. I hope so. I haven't tried, of course, but I hope so. I printed the sign on glossy paper, photo paper glossy, because I wanted it to look like real enamel or metal. So that's why I used that paper. And now it's just a matter of removing the protective paper on each rectangle, and we will be almost done, if I can remove it. The last one, just one more second. It doesn't want to come off. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. I got carried away. So now I'm going to eyeball to see if it is the middle, if it is center. I think so. So here we go. It's a little bit twisted. Now much better. So this is how it looks from the front, and of course Christmas tree farm. What am I going to place inside of it? Trees. I have these trees that are from Target, I think. Yes, they are from Target. I bought them on sale like 2 or 3 years ago. I added the pine cones. They didn't come with the pine cones, and I love them. I think I paid $30 for each one. So I'm going to place them here inside this crate. And we will have our arrangement finished. And I love it. I love it. Oh my God. You can't see it in full, but you will see it in a moment. I really love it. So these are the two, not DIYs, but decorations that I have for you today, arrangements. I hope you like them. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels, and also watch the videos in the playlist again. Thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.